What's up fam? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did a look for my favorite team, the Warriors. Now I made this look a couple months ago because I just knew that we were going to be in the playoffs and that did not happen, but I'm going to show some love anyway. So we're going to start off with our Afrique palette and we're going to go for that true blue, and this time we're going to add the blue to our cut crease area. Make sure it's really saturated and then you're going to go ahead and blend out upwards. So now we're adding our next color. We're adding that lemon yellow and we're blending it on top of where we had that blue. So it's basically going to go on our brow bone area. Now, the only bad thing about this is because, you know, when you mix blue and yellow, you do get green. And I was kind of unhappy about that, but there's no way around it. So blend out the colors as best you can, but try to keep the green to a minimum because the Warriors are not blue, green, and yellow. They're blue and yellow, or blue and gold. But whatever, you know what I mean. Okay. I know I said keep the green to a minimum, but like I said, there's no way to get around this. So you need to add that green just to make that blend look better. Like, you don't want no sloppy blend there. So, you know, if you have to add green, go ahead, just make it clean, you know? This is a simple look, you guys. So our base is already done. You go ahead and cut your crease. This is the white concealer by Conceal, and I'm using this to, you know, block out my shape. You know, it's always hard for me to do my cut creases because my eye structure isn't the same on both eyes, so I really have to try extra hard to make sure that they at least look the same even though they're really not. Because we're using yellow in this, we need a thicker concealer. So now we're going in with our Revolution Refine and Define Concealer in C1. And this is a beautiful, thick concealer. I absolutely love it. This is the perfect concealer for cut creases. Like, girl, let me tell you. Now that we let our concealer dry, we're going to go ahead and start that cut crease color, starting out with that lemon yellow, of course, and this is going to go to the inside corner. Now, yellow is a very, very light color, so you need to pack on this color a lot in order for it to show. So go ahead and pack on as much as you need to have that strong yellow. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with our true blue, and we are fading this color into that yellow. So again, just pack on the blue. You already have one on the outside, so just go ahead and blend it in with that yellow on your cut crease side. Again, since we're blending blue and yellow together, we gotta add a little bit more green to make that transition super smooth. So now I could have left it like how it is, but I decided to go ahead and add some gold glitter just because I felt like it was a little bit too yellow and warriors aren't really like that. So I'm like, let me add some gold in there. So go ahead and take out your base booster and you're gonna apply that to only where the yellow is. Maybe you can go as far out to the green, that way you don't have a hard line where your glitter stops, but add your base booster and then you're gonna go ahead and sprinkle on your gold glitter. So this is how our eyeshadow base is looking so far. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and do my liner, my lashes, and my face, and I'll be right back. And we're back. The lashes just change everything already. Like, I absolutely love it. Don't mind my edges either. So we're going to go ahead and finish the look. We're going to add our black pencil liner underneath our waterline like we always do, just to make everything sexy. Adding our highlight, we're going in with our Kiss Professionals Rose Shimmer Palette, and this is going to go to the inner tear ducts, our nose, of course, and our brow bone. For the cheek highlight, we're adding the AOA Wonder Baked Highlighter. This is Bubbly, and we're adding this to the highest point of our cheekbones. Now I'm adding a little bit of setting spray, and I'm going to take some of that glitter and also use that as a highlight. And this time I'm going like, I'm basically tracing my brow bone. So now we're going to go ahead and finish the look by doing our lips. I wanted to go with a more natural type thing, so we're going with our NYX Liquid Lingerie Matte Lipstick, and this color is Beauty Mark. It is a shade of brown. Now we're going to match that with the color Vintage, which is a little bit lighter. And then we're going to add a silver shimmer lipstick by AOA Studios. Again, this is called Icey. I'm only adding a little bit, and it's only going to go in the middle of my lip. That way my lips look a little bit more plump. Then we're going to top it off with a metallic gold. You only need a few drops of this one because this one is like really strong. I felt like my lips were a little bit too pale, so this will bring back some color. And then I'm going to top that with the Deck of Scarlet shimmer lip gloss, and that's basically going to be that. This is a finished look. I absolutely love it. The lips are like freaking gorgeous. Please let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. Go Warriors. I know we didn't make it that far this year, but you know, it's all right. There's always next year, right? All right, guys, I'll catch you later.